Okay, so we have a 2014 Toyota Camry LE Hybrid, and we're gonna do the transmission mount. Quickly disassemble this. Loosen up the front motor mount. We'll unloosen the front motor mount bolt by this much. With the jack stand in place under the driver's side frame, remove the wheel, and we'll start to remove the 19mm nut with 2 wrenches. If you're trying to remove the 19mm nut from the bolt and both the nut and bolt are spinning, then I would suggest you do the following. Put the 19mm wrench, mark the top of the screw with the marker. Next, we're going to use some vice grips to hold and clamp down the actual screw in place, as so. Trying to get my hand in here, and with the force applied, it's going to go straight to the transmission case, and you'll be able to hold down the bolt while you try to remove down the 19mm nut, and the end result should end like this. See? The bolt is still in place and the nut is moving freely. Remove the nut from the bolt and slowly start lifting up the jack. So we're just gonna lift up to this very top of the stud, as you can see, okay? Unfortunately, since the mount requires you to remove its top bolt with locking pliers to completely take it off the frame, there's too much rush for it to move, and if this is the case, we have to cut. Loosen up the 3 bolts, 1, 2, and the one to the far back over there, 3. Now we can take the old mount off, placing the new one, and now place the screw. So now that we have both the mount and the screw in position, what we're gonna do is we're gonna expose the middle over here just enough for me to just grip it on with the vice grips. And then we'll just turn. And we're just gonna screw in the bolt just up to there, and we're gonna start putting back the nuts back into place. So we're just gonna quickly lower this. Ooh, that was a little bit too fast, but it's okay. And just like that, we installed the transmission mount. Finally, just tighten that up, and you're done. And don't forget to bolt in this last piece.